All right, this video, we're going to go over how to use the Lux Algo signals and how to really optimize it to where you can have an easy trading experience. So if you want to know how to use the Lux Algo signals, which I've been able to have great success on, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to use it correctly. So if you like being able to create a great result when it comes to trading, make trading simple for you, and be able to leverage the very best platforms and softwares to trade with, then definitely like and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell to where you'll get notifications every time we drop a video, because every video we drop is high value and it'll get you great results if you apply exactly what we teach. So going right to the signals, I love Lux Algo. I've been using it for about a month, and I really like the way it makes things simple. Like everything you could possibly want as a trader is present within this platform. So what we're going to be focusing on is the signals. And with Lux Algo, they have automated trade signals to where every day, without a fail, you're going to get signals as far as when to get in on your swing moves, when to get in for a buy or a sell in the market on certain time frames. So just to get right into it, this is what it looks like. You'll do it within Discord. And once you become a premium member, the link will be in the description on how to become a premium member. You'll have access to this. And with the scanners, you'll have, stocks, indices, futures, Forex, and even crypto and commodities, to where you'll be able to have signals direct to your Discord, and you'll be able to trade the signals very easily. So for me, I've already optimized and opted into the Forex scanner alert. So I'm gonna go down to the Forex scanners within the premium chat, and it's gonna be an automated channel. So as I go in, you can see that for the VIP users, you'll be able to see exactly what type of signals you have. A lot of times you'll see 2-hour, 4-hour, and daily signals. And I like these because it's going to give you great entries to be able to take for the long run. But I'm also going to show you how to scalp with these signals. So going into it, the last two signals was very recent, is AUD USD and AUD CAD. These are 4-hour signals. So let's go to AUD USD, AUD CAD. So let's pull that up. Start off with AUD USD, let it pull up. And we just recently got this buy signal here. So what do I do with this particular signal? Now, one thing I like to do when I'm setting up my charts, I like to see whether or not that if this signal is within trend. I'll trade it both ways. I do like to see whether or not it's within trend. So this one, you can see that it's a downtrend. If you're ever confused on it, the easiest way you can do it with Lux Algo as far as finding trends, go to indicators here, type in Lux, and you'll start to type in super, and you'll see the super trend oscillator with Lux Algo. I love this one because on its default settings, it'll show you the long-term trend. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one so that way we just focus on that. So right now, the trend is a downward trend. So this would be a counter trend move. You can still trade it, but I prefer to trade within trend. But even still, let's say this is within trend and you want to be able to trade it. What you do is, this is the 4-hour chart. You see here, you have your time frames. These are usually the default time frames. What you want to do is you want to go 4 time frames below. So that would mean 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's be on the 15-minute. And then from there, what I want to do is go into this indicator and set an alarm for the Lux Algo Premium. So let's go alarm. So it's not letting me do it. I just did it. I already have it set up. So let's go here. Let's get rid of this. Go back to Lux Algo. Now we can set the alarm. Sometimes it'll work out like that. All right, so we're on AUD CAD, and this was a 4-hour signal. So what you want to do is, you see that it's a 4-hour signal, you see that it's a buy. All you want to do is go 4 time frames below. You go 4 time frames below, and what you're looking for is to take your buy signals going in that direction. So as you see here, you have strong. You also have where it would say buy here, and any buy or strong for your upward trend you want to take. It's very simple. It's as easy as that. Now, you can always take it within trend and have a better result. You can also take the counter trends, but if you're taking it within trend, you usually have a better experience when it comes to trading. So with this, it's really just that simple. So like the other signal was AUD CAD. So let's pull that up. You have AUD Canadian. So you have your buy signal here from your 4-hour, which was pretty recent. And all you're going to do is go down 4 time frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down to the 15-minute and look for your buy or strong signals on the 15-minute. So that way you're trading within alignment of the markets, and you're able to have a good trading experience because you're using the software that's doing all the heavy lifting for you. And that way you're able to win. So this is very simple. You don't have to make it hard. I don't have to make it a long explanation. But if you understand this, then you'll be able to have a good experience with the Lux Algo signals. You can always take the signal based off of swing trading, but if you want to maximize on the individual moves within that larger move, then I would recommend coming down 4 time frames lower and coming into the 15-minute. Or if you get, for example, you also get 2-hour signals. If you're on a 2-hour, you would go down to the 5-minute and trade based off of that, do more scalping based off of that 5-minute. So it's very simple to use. That's the way that I use the signals. And I'm pretty sure you'll love how it works out for you, because it'll be very easy. You don't really have to think about it. If you're buying, all you have to do for stop losses and take profits is just switch to buy. Go to the settings, just switch to buy, and it will give you what to look for stop loss and take profit wise. So that's what I've been doing. I love it. And definitely comment, let me know how this works out for you. I definitely love seeing people do better with their trading based off of these videos. And if you like what we talked about today, definitely like and subscribe. If you don't have Lux Algo, go into the description in the chat, in the comments. Let me do the whole thing.